Stroll around St. Anne's Bay and try to find Christmas products and art products. There's a lot of places in St. Anne's Bay where you can get art products, just in case one store might run out or you don't want to travel a far distance from where you are. You can actually get art products in various stores, supermarket, pharmacies, etc. So today I am going to search for Christmas products and also art products. Alright, so let's go.
Okay, so the first place that I'm going to visit is called Lismel Pharmacy. It is located between Burger King and KFC. So as you walk in,
You go towards the left, and over on this side they have some products here, some balloons for like kids and so on. So these are like party products. Over on this side are the art products. So they have different art products such as Crayola crayons, those jumbo pencils for kids. So they have a lot of varieties here. Not to mention the Bristol brushes that I always talk about that you should get for classes. They have the Bristol brushes here, so you can always come and get your pack of Bristol brushes here for my classes. Yes, so they have a few art products that you can come and check out. So whenever you can't find a product that I told you to get for classes, you can come and check the store. There's also another section with some more art products I'm going to show you. Around, you go towards the right this time. And here are some more art products here. So your scrapbooks are here, not to mention your sketch pad that I always tell you guys to get but haven't gotten. So your sketch pads are here, your folders, your graph leaves. Right now we're using graph leaves. Not to mention they have the pencil cases. I prefer like these pencil cases. Alright, so they have like the lap coats. Alright, so this one is a nice one here. See what is inside. So this is inside. And you have some toys. So you can also come and get toys for a family member, your brother, your sister. Turn around the other side. So this is the far end. You have gift wrapping papers here, and let's see what they have over on this side. So they have some notebooks, some reading books, some coloring books. So you can get your kids some coloring books also. Let them practice how to color. They have tapes there. So the different paper tapes. So we use a lot of paper tapes for paintings and so on. I like this one. This is nice. This is a nice friendly gift that you could get. Like this one. Cute.
they also have Play-Doh. Get your kids some Play-Doh so they can practice sculpting. They even have paints.
Items here, so they have a lot. They have a lot here. Look at this section. Even the palette. This one is a nice one. This one is very big. Usually just like this part here and not this section, but this one is very big, very useful. Palette. Not to mention the cartridge papers, the brown paper. Person keep telling me that they can't find the brown paper. It's here, and also the sugar board is here also. You can come and check out and get your brown papers here.
Okay guys, so that was Lismel Pharmacy. Now we're moving on. We're going to check out some Christmas items.
I'm at Ocean Haberdashery. It's closer to where the Shell gas station is, but it's not Shell gas station anymore. It's now Ruby's.
It's adjacent to the courthouse and immediately beside the Anglican churchyard.
Headband, this is a nice one. Oh, and they have the Christmas hats here.
They have beautiful bath mat sets.
Come towards the right, you can see some, I really don't know the name of these things, you know, but here they are. So they have a lot. They have silver, green, they have blue ones, not to mention the purple ones.
They have Christmas lights at a reasonable price, the balls for the tree, and also the bells for the door.
How beautiful this is. Very nice. I like this. So if you want to decorate your house for Christmas, so it's a nice plant there. Beautiful.
They also have small Christmas trees.
Mention the mats for the bathroom or the kitchen is here also. Alright, so I missed a few. So these are like the door ornaments. They have different types. But on this side they have the plants again.
So yes guys, that was Ocean Haberdashery and Lismel Pharmacy. So go ahead and check out your art products and also your Christmas items.
Today I'm going to do some eye shopping. I'm going to show you places in Okay, so today I am going to Okay, so today I am going to